Hey guys, I wanted to talk to you guys about some of the function composition stuff that we got going on. So say I have two functions and I just made these up. F of x equals negative 3x squared plus 6. That's my function f. And then my function g is g of x equals 2x plus 3. Again, just made them up. And let's say it says find f plus g of x. All that means is that you're adding f of x and g of x. So what is f of x? Oh, it's negative 3x squared plus 6 plus, what is g of x? Oh, it's 2x plus 3. And then you add them by combining like terms. So you have negative 3x squared plus 2x. And the only like terms are the 6 and the 3 plus 9. And that's the answer when it asks for something like find f plus g of x. Okay? Now sometimes it has the same symbol, right? F plus g, but it's not of x, it's of 3. So what I have to do here is I'm plugging in f of 3, and then I'm plugging in g of 3, and I'm adding them. So f of 3, so that means instead of x in my equation, negative 3x squared plus 6, I'm plugging in a 3. And I do my math according to that. 3 squared is 9. 9 times negative 3 is negative 27. Negative 27 plus 6 is negative 21. And then plus g of 3. So I plug in 3 for x in g. So I have 2 times 3, that's 6, plus 3, that's 9. And negative 21 plus 9, negative 21 plus 9 is negative 12. And that's my answer there. So notice when you're plugging in a number, you're going to get a number. When you're plugging in an x, you're going to get x's. All right, the next thing to do, maybe it'll say find f minus g of x. So all you're doing is f of x minus g of x. And then you plug in whatever f of x is. Oh, it's negative 3x squared plus 6. Whatever g of x is, that's 2x minus 3. The thing that's funny about this one that kids make mistakes on is that they forget to distribute that negative so that it becomes negative 2x and negative 3 when they combine like terms. So when you combine all these, no x squared, so negative 3x squared is staying. I've got no more x's, so negative 2x, and I have positive 6 and negative 3, so my solution is positive 3. Okay, and then lastly, let's say we need multiplication, right? So f times g of negative 3. So all that means is I'm going to plug in negative 3 and I'm going to multiply. That's my operation. So I just do one at a time. F of negative 3, when you plug that in, you get negative 3 squared. That's 9 times negative 3. That's still negative 27 plus 6. That's negative 21. And then over here, plugging in negative 3 for g of x. So 2 times negative 3, that's negative 6. Plus 3 is negative 3. And then I'm multiplying because it said to multiply. And negative 21 times negative 3 is that positive 63. So again, if you're asked for an x like number 2, you're going to get an x. If you're asked for a number like of a number, you're going to get a number out. All right, I hope that helps.